Welcome children to your maths class. We are studying lesson number 3, addition. Now I know that you are familiar with the spelling of addition now. ADDITION. Okay. Now we have already finished few things on lesson addition. Just let us have a quick recap of what we have studied in maths till now. So here is our lovely frog. Now we have completed numbers 1 to 20. You know that numbers 1 to 20. Number names of 1 to 20. You know the equal to symbol and the meaning of equal to. And you also know that what is addition and how you can add, what is the symbol of addition and how you can add two numbers. Now I have a question for you. Let me see whether you can solve it or not. Can you see what is it? Yes, it is a flower pot with flowers in it. Now, can you tell me how many flowers can you see in the flower pot? बता सकते हो आप? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes, you are absolutely correct. There are 7 flowers in the flower pot. Now, the next one. Let us see the picture. Now, can you tell me how many flowers are there in the flower pot? Yes. Quickly tell me. You know that how you denote empty things or nothing with a number. So what is the number that denotes nothing? Yes, it is 0. So there are 0 flowers in the flower pot. So बच्चों, you are already aware of the number 0. And what is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. Now, you are already aware of how to add. Now, can you see pencils? Yes, it is a funny pencil. Now, I want you to add these pencils. Now, how many pencils can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, you have to add 5 pencils plus 1 and 2. 2 pencils. So the question is 5 plus 2 equals to how much? So can you tell me? Count it with your little fingers. Yes, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Absolutely correct. Clap for yourself. Now I have the next question for you. Let me see if you can answer. Okay, we have cakes here, delicious cake. So the question is, can you see how many cakes are there here? 1, 2 and 3. So the question is 3 plus how many cakes are there in this plate? Yes, nothing. That is 0. So the question is 3 plus 0 equals how much? 3 है यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है. So if you add, तो आप 3 plus an empty plate will again be equal to 3 cakes. Okay, so 3 plus 0 will be equal to 3. Okay, now let us see the next one. Okay, so we have a flower pot here. Can you count how many flowers are there in the flower pot? Yes, so in the first flower pot there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 flowers. So 5 plus, this is an empty flower pot. There is nothing in the flower pot. So what I will write? 0. Yes. So 5 plus 0 equals how much? Can you tell me? Yes, it will be equal to 5. Flower pot plus an empty flower pot will again give you the same flower pot. Okay, so there are 5 flowers. Now, have you noticed something in both of the sums? You learned 3 plus 0 equals 3. So, I have a number here, 3 plus 0 equals 3. Now, just a moment. Yes. So can you see over here? This number and this number is the same. And what are we doing here? We are adding it with 0. The next time with the flower pot also you have seen 5 plus 0 equals 5. Again, this number and this number are the same. आप दोनों में कौन सी सेम चीज कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? You are adding the number with 0. So, with these two statements, you can say that any number, कोई भी number ले लो, if you add that number with 0, it will be equal to the same number. मतलब यहाँ वाला नंबर और ये वाला नंबर दोनों क्या होंगे? It will be same. Now this rule, this general rule जो हमने find out किया है is also called the addition property of 0. Now there is always a way to say things properly in maths. You have proper sentences. So what is the sentence? What is the addition property of 0? When we add 0 to a number, we get the dash number. कौन सा number मिलता है? बताइए बताइए. In the previous one we have done. Any number plus 0 will be equal to, yes, same number. So please don't forget this, okay, that the addition property of 0 is when we add, okay, when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number, okay, learn it. Now, moving on to the next. I will be again giving you some questions, okay. Now, can you see this? Yes, हमने पढ़ा है numbers 1 to 10. You know the order of the numbers. That is what I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now, I have a question for you. Be ready for the question and listen carefully. Tell me, how do we get the next number? हमने तो याद कर लिया. Yes, 1, 1 के बाद 2, 2 के बाद 3, after 3, 4. But did you think how do we get the next number? यानी how do we come from 1 to 2? How do we come from 2 to 3? और 3 के बाद 4 ही क्यों आता है? Yes. So did you think why does it happen so? For that, we will solve some questions. I will question you and you will give me the answer. Now, cute little teddy bears over here? Yes. So can you count quickly how many teddy bears we have to add over here? Just a second. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many teddy bears can you see in the picture? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many you have to add to the 4 teddy bears? Plus 1. So the question is 4 plus 1 teddy bear is equal to how much? Can you add it quickly? Yes, the answer is 5 teddy bears. So 4 plus 1 equal to 5. ये आंसर हमें मिल गया. I have one more question for you. Now, can you tell me what comes after 4? 4 के बाद क्या आता है? Which number? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. So after 4, the next number is 5. तो आपने relation देखा? Just a sec, let me just turn on the pen. Okay. So, did you see that when you add 1 to the number 4, you got 5. And what comes after 4? 5. That means the next number. So, can you relate? How do you get the next number? Yes? Yes, absolutely correct. You get the next number by adding 1 to it. For that, let me give a clear picture to you. Yes, so this was our question, that how do we get the next number? है ना? अभी हमने देखा that 4 plus 1 is also 5 and 5 comes after 4. So, in order to get the next number, you add 1. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 and so on. मतलब 8 plus 1 भी अगर करेंगे so you will get 9. Okay, and 9 plus 1 will be 10. 11 plus 1 will be 12. So, as you can see, this property or this thing that you have noticed, that when you are adding a number, you are getting the next number. So, it is the addition property of 1. So, what is the addition property of 1? When we add 1 to a number, we get the dash number. कौन सा number मिलता है हमें when we add 1? Yes, we get the next number. So, when we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. That is the addition property of 0. And when we add 1 to a number, we get the next number. That is the addition property of 1. So, you will remember these things. Okay. Now, the next thing that we are going to study, children, that is addition on number line. Now, you must be thinking, okay, so I have to add on a number line. तो सबसे पहले what do we need to know? What is a number line? Right. So, we have to know what is a number line. Okay. So, अगर मुझे इसे sentence में, if I have to frame a sentence and tell you what is a number line, so in simple sentence I can say, a number line is a continuous line representing numbers. Okay. So, a number line, again I am saying, is a continuous line representing numbers. Now, there is a new word over here. Can you tell me what is the new word? Yes, it is continuous line. So, first we have to see what is a continuous line. Let me show you. This over here is called a continuous line. ये एक लाइन है और इसके दोनों तरफ if you can see there is an arrow. Can you see? So a line with an arrow on both sides. एक ऐसी लाइन जिसके दोनों तरफ arrows हो is called is a continuous line. ठीक है, अब continuous line का मतलब तो समझ गया, but it represents numbers, right? So how does it represent numbers? Let me show you. So this is a number line, okay, and just a sec, let me just turn on the pointer. Yes, so this is the number, this is the continuous line आप बनाओगे, and then we will denote numbers. Since we are doing addition of only single digit numbers, तो number line पे you can always show many numbers on the number line, but right now we will only be doing it till 10. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So since we are reading till 10, तो मैंने बस 10 lines बनाए हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so at equal distance means that the distance between 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3 will be equal. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your number line. क्या है ये? Number line. Okay, now you have your maths notebook. So let us see how to draw a number line. Now suppose this is your maths page. Okay, ऐसे ही होता है ना पेज. You have vertical and horizontal lines. So how you are going to draw it? First remember, do not draw the line using your hand only or pencil only. Okay, you will draw the line using a scale and a pencil. ठीक है, you will draw the line using a scale and a pencil. Do not draw it with your bare hands. Okay, without a scale, वरना टेढ़ी टेढ़ी line होगी. Now always remember that whenever you are drawing a line, you will draw the line, just a sec, yes, you will take the help of these lines that are already drawn. जो line already draw है इसमें, you are going to use those lines. Okay, so for the number line, first we will draw a continuous line. So using a scale and a pencil, आप इसी किसी पे भी किसी line पे आप draw कर सकते हो. Okay, so I have drawn a line. Okay, can you see I have drawn this line over ये जो ऑलरेडी मैथ्स बुक में लाइन प्रेजेंट थी मैथ्स नोटबुक में, उसी के ऊपर मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी है. यू विल ड्रॉ द लाइन एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू पुट द 2 एरोज ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. दोनों साइड पे आप क्या बनाओगे? एरो बनाओगे. नाउ वी हैव टू मार्क द नंबर्स. ओके, वी हैव टू मार्क द नंबर्स. हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मार्क द नंबर्स? आप ये देख रहे हो यहाँ पे ये लाइन कोइंसाइड हो रही है, राइट? एक दूसरे से मिल रही है. सो यहीं पे हम एक एक लाइन बनाते जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0, 1, 2 लाइक दिस. सी ऐसे इस लाइन पे मैंने 0 बना दिया. देन फिर ये नेक्स्ट जहाँ पे जुड़ रहा है वहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So always remember, whenever you are drawing a number line, for now you have to mark the numbers 0 to 10. It will be a continuous line with arrows on both the sides. Now today we have learned the addition property of 0, addition property of 1, and what is a number line and how you will draw the number line in your notebook. Okay, so you will keep practicing it, and for now आज के लिए only this much. Take care of yourself, children. Take good care of yourselves. Wear a mask whenever you're going outside. Wash your hands regularly and no shake hands. Okay, bye bye.